Dollar is currently over 1000 naira, and during this time period I have been able to make money buying and selling dollars online, all because I know the sources, what is working now, the cards, the site, and in this video I will show you how I'm making money with dollar arbitrage and how you can do it too. But before I reveal how I do it, I want to first make sure you understand how arbitrage works. I see a lot of you guys wasting time watching some random videos and losing money in the process because you want to perform arbitrage without even understanding the process. What would your response be if I asked you what arbitrage is? Exactly. That's why you are not making a single penny, because you don't even know the basics. That's why I host a one-on-one private training class on WhatsApp where you can ask me any questions concerning dollar arbitrage and how to succeed in the market for just 5,000 naira. This is only for those who wants to win. Check the link in the description for my WhatsApp. Now for the newbies, dollar arbitrage is the practice of taking advantage of the price differences between two or more markets, or in other words, reselling. I'm still going to review how I perform arbitrage later on, but to further make you understand how arbitrage works, I'll give you an example. Let's say John goes to platform A and bought a watch for $10 and then sells that same watch on platform B for $25 and in return makes $15. What John just did is called retail arbitrage. Now there are many types of arbitrage, but that's a video for another time. That brings me to the main reason we are here: how to make money with dollar arbitrage. To break it down to sections, there are only 3 ways to do this. First, using a card. Second, buying from foreign merchants. 3, becoming a BDC merchant. Check the link in the description for my WhatsApp.